Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by opening Google and signing into the account you prefer. This ensures personalized suggestions. Once done, type your topic followed by site, YouTube, com to restrict results to YouTube. Make sure to include channel names or exact phrases in quotes when you need precision. You'll see titles, thumbnails, and snippets right away, and you can refine with more keywords. This approach saves time over navigating the YouTube site when you know what you want. Now you refine results using Google's filters for upload time, duration, and relevance. This helps you find recent or quick videos when needed. Once you click a result, preview the snippet and any timestamps Google shows to assess whether the video contains the segment you need. Make sure to open promising videos in new tabs so you can compare creators, view counts, and upload dates without losing your place. You'll quickly identify the best source to watch or finish by using YouTube controls to tailor playback. Turn on captions, adjust playback speed, change quality, or enable picture-in-picture to multitask. Once you find the right moment, save the video to a playlist or watch later, and copy the timestamp link for direct sharing. If playback or loading fails, try clearing your browser cache, disabling extensions that block scripts, or opening the video in an incognito window. These quick fixes resolve most Google or YouTube access problems.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.